If you're looking for a luxurious three-row SUV, you'll have new options to choose from in a year or so. Toyota announced plans to produce 2 new three-row SUVs at its Princeton plant in the U.S. state of Indiana, and one of them is Lexus. The next-generation urban midsize SUV from Lexus will be a separate product, not an extension of the RX. Lexus is expected to launch its new Lexus TX utility vehicle in late 2023. The new Lexus TX three-row SUV can fit up to 8 passengers. The GX and LX are indeed bigger than the RX and RXL models, but they don't fit the family-oriented three-row SUV model. The RXL with a slightly elongated wheelbase and perched on the third row is only suitable for children. Lexus has not released any information regarding the design of the upcoming three-row SUV. You can imagine the Q design of the Lexus NX 2022. The overall appearance is very different from the current model, although it may not appear from the front. The proportions and sizes look different from the previous model. Thanks to the large rear windshield and flatter roof, this profile offers the exact look of a three-row SUV. What they needed was a car-based one with a more efficient interior packaging and more space in the second and third row seats, as well as behind those seats. Also had to be lighter and bigger than the RXL. Like the RXL, the Lexus TX should come in petrol and hybrid variants. Expect some sort of hybrid powertrain in both models, though it's unclear if this is a plug-in affair or a more conventional setup. The Lexus TX can come in no less than 3 variants: the TX 350, TX 500H, and TX 550H, and can be hybrid variants placed above it.